Hello, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to actually record the pass-through for Quest 1, Quest 2 and MetaQuest Pro. Because by default, if you try and use the built-in recording feature within the share menu on your Quest and you're recording some gameplay, some of the Quest home environment, if you go out of bounds or you turn on the pass-through, that does not get recorded. It just comes up as a black screen. So the other way to, you're thinking, oh, I'll just cast it over using, the cast feature. You can cast it over to your web browser like Google Chrome, record that. That also does not work. So what you need to do is get SideQuest set up. I will provide a link in the description, and I'll actually provide 3 links, one for Mac, one for Windows, one for Linux, how to set up SideQuest. I'm doing this on Windows, but it doesn't matter which platform you are doing it on once it's all set up. And using SideQuest, you can cast your quest wirelessly as well, and then you can just record that window. So let me show you how to cast it over. Okay, first of all, obviously assuming that you've got it all set up, just connect up your Quest headset via a wire. So Meta, it's gone green, great. If it's, orange, just put the headset on, confirm permissions, all that jazz. And now what we want to do is, that's the button I want, but we want the wireless mode. Let me just put the headset on momentarily. Okay, so I just had to put the headset on, confirm the boundary, all that jazz. And now this Wi-Fi icon has appeared. Click that. It's experimental. That is fine. Click connect. Make sure obviously your computer and your Quest are connected to the same network. Okay, here we go. So we got a drop down now. 2 devices have been detected by both, and both are Quest Pros. One's wired, one's wireless. So if I disconnect the wire, only one is detected, and that is now the wireless mode. So if I click this little TV icon, stream from your headset, click that. And before we start stream, the Oculus casting just takes you to the casting website. We're not interested in that one. And so you can, set the bit rate. You can do, crop. I'll say do Quest 2 crop if you're on Quest 2. Quest 2 crop if you're also on MetaQuest Pro. They haven't put the option for it yet. I'll have a look, see if there's a better setting for it. But for now, just do Quest 2 crop. And there's a few other settings. Feel free to experiment with them, but this is all we need. Click Start Stream. It can take a few seconds for it to load up, so just bear that in mind. Just be patient, because you might think, oh, it's not loading. Clicking it multiple times, and you'll just get multiple instances of it. And like I said, you just gotta wait a little bit, and the window will pop up with the actual stream itself. Here we go. So I've got the, let me put the headset on. So should be seeing the headset now, the color pass through, and that is it. There's nothing more to it than that. It's just asking me to confirm Guardian, but I can ignore that. But you got to obviously just sort out the Guardian stuff, and that's it. We can close this down. You can obviously, that window that popped up, you can record the whole screen or record just that window in OBS, for example. So that way you can get the stream over, and you can also record it for YouTube, for example, and other social media platforms. So that is how you view and effectively record the pass-through on MetaQuest 1, 2, and Pro. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.